I know I had this weird head thing that sometimes happened, but it was completely unpredictable. When it would happen, it never really had a major effect on me. Although I actually agree that seizures have triggers because I always experience those triggers, but do not contribute to any critical effect such as death. The only thing also I can say is that also I experience mostly seizures in high heights such as standing on chairs or tables. It's hard to explain what seizure is like unless you have experienced or had one. Sometimes you can feel a warm sensation in one side part of the face or head, not painful but uncomfortable, and then the left half of the face edges numb. This always happens and you cannot frequently run away from it. And that is all about minor seizure. And about mild seizure, because there are two types of seizures, minor seizures and mild seizures. Minor seizures is what I talked about earlier, and about mild seizures is that someone is unable to talk completely and she experiences freezing up of her body. Although my seizures so far they haven't lasted for 2 minutes or 1 minute less, though some people experience for 5 minutes and above, other for seconds. I remember the first medication that I received for an epilepsy. It was very hard for me since I experienced the disorder very frequently. But when I changed the medication, meaning that when I went for the second medication, it was very good because there were some changes in my body that I had not experienced very frequently an epilepsy. Also, doctors always says that epilepsy patients should not drive, climb on high heights, swim or take bubble bath and others. Those are the things that mostly we should avoid so that you can live in peace and you can have an healthier body. However, I've been taking a bubble bath frequently, but nothing has exposed to me in my body or changes. That is not funny, but some kind of funny. But lastly, what should I advise you guys, epilepsy patients, is that in my side, I always say that I'm not going to avoid anything in my life. I'm just going to live. If I want to go to a country where there is no medicine, I'll just go. If I want to drink, I'll just drink. If I want to live, I'll just live. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to take a bath, even if I ought not to do it. This is just a major bump in the road. It's always present to many lives of people, and I won't let that happen in my life. That agreeing epilepsy is the part or is something that can cause sadness in your life. No, happiness is inside you, and you can create your own happiness through your own self. So